Ever wonder what real English sounds like at the mall? This is real English you'll hear in any mall. Let's listen to a real conversation between Lisa and Cody at a shopping mall.
Hi there. Welcome in. Let me know if you need any help.
Hi, thank you. We're just looking right now.
Actually, I'm looking for a sweater from my dad. Something warm, but not too heavy.
Sure. Is it for everyday wear or for work?
Mostly for everyday wear. He likes simple styles.
In that case, I'd recommend this one. It's comfortable, good quality, and easy to wash.
This looks nice. What do you think, Cody?
I like it. Do you have it in a larger size?
Yes, we do. Let me grab one for you.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there.
It fits well, but I'm not sure about the color.
The blue looks good on you. It's pretty neutral.
Blue is one of our most popular colors. It's also easy to match.
Okay, I'll take it. Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Perfect. I'll buy it.
Let's check the electronics store next. I want to buy something useful for my mom.
Good idea.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a small speaker. Something simple and easy to use.
No problem. Is it for home use or travel?
Mostly for home. She likes listening to music while cooking.
Then this one would be a good choice. The sound quality is good and the buttons are very clear.
How long does the battery last?
About 8 hours on a full charge.
That sounds good. Is it hard to connect to a phone?
Not at all. It connects automatically once it's paired.
Great. What's the price?
It's $49.99 and it comes with a 1-year warranty.
I think it's worth the money. I'll take it.
I think we're almost done. Let's ask about gift wrapping.
Hi. How can I help you?
Hi. Do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes, we do. It's free with any purchase over $30.
That's perfect. We have 2 gifts.
No problem. Please place them here.
This mall is really crowded today.
Yes, it's very busy during the holiday season.
I'm glad we came early. Shopping later would be stressful.
Definitely. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Let's head out.
Now that you've listened to the conversation, let's learn some useful vocabulary and phrases from it. Listen carefully to the pronunciation and repeat after me. Before entering a store, people often tell employees that they are just looking. Just looking means you are not ready to buy anything yet. For example, we're just looking right now. Thank you. When shopping during busy times, the mall is often crowded. Crowded means full of people. For example, the mall is very crowded today. Before buying clothes, it's important to think about everyday wear. Everyday wear means clothes you can wear daily. For example, I'm looking for something comfortable for everyday wear. When shopping during special events, many items are on sale. On sale means the price is lower than usual. For example, this sweater is on sale today. When buying electronics or gifts, people often choose items that are easy to use. Easy to use means not difficult to understand or operate. For example, this speaker is easy to use. Before making a final decision, shoppers often ask if something is worth the money. Worth the money means the price is fair for what you get. For example, I think this gift is worth the money. When shoppers need help or information, they usually go to customer service. Customer service means help provided by a store or business. For example, let's ask customer service for gift wrapping. When shoppers are unsure what to buy, store employees may recommend an item. Recommend means to suggest something as a good choice. For example, the staff recommended this sweater. Before we finish, let's quickly review today's lesson. We learned about shopping at the mall and how to talk to store employees politely. We practiced useful phrases like just looking, on sale, and everyday wear when shopping for clothes. We also learned how to describe products using phrases like easy to use and worth the money. We talked about places too, like customer service and situations when the mall is crowded. And finally, remember to ask questions, compare options, and take your time when choosing the right gift. That's all for today's lesson. Try using these words and phrases when you go shopping. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.